In this video, I will tell you about transmitting the drawings which contain XREF using the eTransmit option. So transmitting a drawing that contains XREF is a little bit different task than transmitting a simple drawing, because the drawings containing XREFs have all of their content on different folders or on different directories. Now you can obviously manually make a package of those drawings and contents, and then you can transfer that, but that will obviously take time. Or you can use the eTransmit tool, which makes your task easier. So we'll eTransmit this current drawing, and here in this drawing we have these two external references which we have already seen, and also we have this image. So in total we have these three external references along with the main drawing, which is sample plan end. Now in order to go to the eTransmit option, go to this application button and select this publish option. Now select eTransmit. Now this will open this create transmittal window, and in this window you'll see all the contents which are present in this package. So we have the external references, we have the external plot style table if they are in the drawing, and the PNG file, which is the image which I have shown you, also the original drawing. Now if you want to add even more drawings or more content to this package, you can select this add file button and you can add that, but that will always be added as a standalone file and it will not interfere with the main hierarchy here. Now in order to manage settings related to this eTransmit package, you can select this transmittal setups option. Now we have this standard transmittal setting. Click on modify to change its properties, and now here we have some of the properties which are related to the package. Now the first setting is package type, which is zip. So if you want to create a folder instead of zip, you can change it from here, but we do want to create a zip instead of a folder. Now if you want to keep the existing file formats, which is the file format of AutoCAD 2018, you can do that, or you can downgrade it. So you can select AutoCAD 2013 version from here if you are sending your files to the recipient who have some previous version of AutoCAD installed, or you can keep the same version, which is AutoCAD 2018. So you have plenty of options here like 2013, 10, 7 and 4 and rest of the versions. So I'll keep it at keep existing drawing formats, that will keep it at 2018 version. Now here we have the transmittal folder, which will be on the desktop. So as you can see here, if you want to change that location, you can click on this ellipsis and change it. And also if you want AutoCAD to prompt for a file name, you can select it, else leave it at the respective values. Now here we have some options related to the folder structure. So now in this case, the same folder structure which has been in use will be maintained, but in the final directory, that is on desktop. Now if you want to keep all of the files directly in a single folder, you can select the second radio button, and if you want to keep the original folder structure, you can select the third one. So I'll keep it at the first selection. I'll keep this radio button checked. Now here we have some options, and in this case we have some additional options like we can bind the external references if required, and we can also purge the drawings. So you can check these options whenever required, and in case your drawing contains some additional font, you can check this box to include those additional fonts in the package. Now once these settings are done, click on OK and close, and once again click on OK. Now here we have the prompt, which will prompt you to specify the location where you want to save it. So I'll go to desktop, and here we have the name of this zip package. So I'll keep this default name and I'll click on save, and the package has been created. So you can go to the desktop, and here on the desktop we have this sample plan end package. So double click on it, and here we have it. So all of the contents are now included in a single zip folder, and you can now send this one, and all the drawings and their related external references will be directly accessible to the end user. So that's the standard way of sending files that contain external references. So I'll close it and I'll open the drawing once again.